Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on the ultimate burrata sandwich recipe. For this recipe you'll need French baguette, spinach and arugula, cherry tomatoes, fresh basil, avocado, balsamic glaze, olive oil, and of course burrata cheese. Begin by slicing the baguette into quarters, then slice each quarter down the center to make the sandwiches. Toast the bread in the oven or toaster oven until golden brown and crispy. While the bread is toasting, heat the olive oil in a skillet and add the cherry tomatoes. Once the tomatoes have begun to soften and blister, add the spinach and arugula, cooking until they just begin to wilt. Remove the pan from the heat and set aside. Next, scoop the avocado in the bowl and mash it until it reaches the consistency of a chunky guacamole. Just a quick reminder before we continue the recipe, don't forget you can always check the description for the ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Now it's time to build the sandwich. Place the burrata cheese ball on one slice of bread, slit open, and spread it evenly across the bottom piece of bread. Top with fresh basil, 4 cherry tomatoes, spinach and arugula, and if you'd like, a drizzle of balsamic glaze. On the top piece of the sandwich bread, smear the creamy avocado and place that on top to form the sandwich. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your burrata sandwich turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.